So yes, we were discussing about the calculated column. Now it is time to have understanding about the measures. Measures will store the value on the go, like based on the filter which we are applying at the report level, it will populate the result. I hope this is clear. So now directly let us jump to the screen. Okay. On the screen under the report view, I want to have a table. Just do not worry. This we are going to capture in the subsequent lecture, but to give you the understanding, I have created, this is the slicer based on the region. This is called as a slicer. Just understand. And on the top side, I want to have a table in such a way that against each category, we want to have a particular value like total sales value, then how many distinct customer has ordered, and average profit per order. These three things which we want to have in the tabular form. So this table I have created, but for that just assume that do we have the total of particular total sales column? So right now we do not have. So for that we want to create the measure. Just hold on, do we have the average for this column? No, we do not have. Do we have the count of distinct customers who have ordered against all the products? No, we do not have. So let us create the new measure. We can create the new measure from directly clicking over here and also from right clicking from the particular table. So let us create the new measure. First of all, we want to have a measure total sales value. Okay. So here we want to have sum of what total sales and press enter. Just hold on. It has done something. Whether it has created anything as a column? No. But it has created one measure. See the symbol. The symbol is like a calculator symbol. So this is called as a measure. And it is just storing some values over here which is not visible currently. Just check to have the format as a proper. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. So let us keep it as it is. Now also we want to have another measure which is called as average profit per order. So click on the new measure from here. This time I'm creating from here. Now we want to have average profit per order. Okay. And what will be the equation? Yes, it is the same. Average then net profit of order table. Click close, enter. Now it has created another measure as a symbol as this average profit per order. Now we want to have a distinct customer IDs. It may possible that some of the customers are repeating ordering, correct? So where we have the customer IDs, just check first. Yes, here. But we want to have a count. How many unique customers are there? So let us create one another measure distinct customer ID name as a distinct customers. Let us write down like this. And now we want to have distinct count as customer ID, or here we can say as a whether it will be customer ID. Yes, it is the customer ID. See, I am just clicking and it has completed the equation and distinct customer has been created. Now these three measures which we have generated, we want to have under this table. So let me select the table in which I want to add not this first. Let us create the total sales. Just hold on. I know that you are not able to understand, but for now you can just go through this. So these three columns I have added which we have generated. You just see how our figure is look like. So for furniture, total sales value is 17 lakhs 91,000. Total customers have ordered as a 387 and average profit per order was 301. Now if you want to have, currently it is giving the data for only Oceania. Let us clear this filter. Okay, so without clearing, just I am selecting few of the things. See, automatically our data is changing. We do not have to generate total every time. So this is the magic of the measures. I hope this is clear. This is just an example. I want to show you that how you can generate the data with the help of measure. Now let us quickly wrap up this thing. We have in this whole section we have understand about how to write down the text queries. Whatever equations we have written, which is called as a basic DAX, and these equations which is similar to the Excel. So we are able to understand about the calculated columns, then DAX query, like how we have written the equations for creating the measures. See, these are the basic things we have understand in this section. I hope this is clear. And also along with that, we have understand about the model view, where we have interlinked two tables with the help of creating the relationships. We have understand about the star schema or snowflake schema, how to build this relationship, and what is the one to many and many to one and all. So these are the basic things we have understand. Also, I want to tell you one more thing over here. If you click here under the model, you can easily check all the things which we have generated. So under the measures, we have created three measures. You can easily see what are the three measures we have generated. Under the model tab, it is written total how many relationships are there. Yes, total three relationships are there. How many tables? So total four tables. And in the four tables, how many columns are there? So if we click on the orders, there is the 28 columns are there and the three measures. So calculated columns are being stored under these only, and it has some different symbol you can see like this. So I hope this is clear to you, and if you have any query, you can ask me anytime. I will be very glad to help you out. In the next tutorial, that section will be very helpful, where we are going to generate most awaited different reports and all, so that you can analyze this data. What up till now what we have did will be very helpful to generate the different interactive dashboards. Be with the course.